If you ask me when did I start shooting film, I'd say March 2017, although this isn't entirely true. While I got into film photography around this time, I had shot film before, as a child. Now I don't remember exactly when this happened, but I have the distinct memory of shooting on a camera just like this, although mine was red and the one I'm going to be using today is my sister's. So this camera is rather primitive. It doesn't have any manual controls, which is what you'd expect from a child's point and shoot, but it also doesn't take any batteries, which means not only does this have a fixed aperture, but it means you can't change the shutter speed, which means it's more of a point and pray than a point and shoot. But anyway, I've decided to load it with some Kodak Color Plus and give it a spin. I'm also going to tape this thing shut just because it's so old and I don't want any light leaking in. I'm not really expecting great results or for it to even work, but the fact you're watching this means I've gotten some sort of result. So yeah, let's go.
Gotta say honestly, when you look at me, it's like a gun goes off deep inside of me. I can hardly move, I can barely breathe near your features. The trouble is, it's just so obvious. I still see all the lines of surgery remnants where you cut away, left your flaws behind in the ether. Face of puzzle pieces that don't fit together. Puzzle pieces that don't fit together. It's never right, but you just can't move on. You can't decide, take away or put on your side, but you won't stop working a masterpiece in the flesh. It's your puzzle. It's your puzzle. It's yours.
So looking at these photos, I can tell why I don't have any old pictures I've taken from when I was a child with this camera. Every single one was underexposed, and to be fair, it was a rather bland day, so maybe on a brighter day I'd have better luck. But to be honest, if you've got a camera like this lying around and you've been thinking of putting a roll through it, I wouldn't. The lens on this thing isn't going to give you anything sharper than a spoon, and not only are you wasting your time, but you're wasting your film and your money. But anyway, it's almost the end of the year, and I'm hoping in January I'm going to start to develop my own colour film, and I've recently picked up a VHS-C camera, which I'm going to film little video clips every month, and then at the end of every month I'm going to release a video that's all the footage I've filmed that month, just to experiment and vary content really. But yeah, thanks for watching not only this video, but all the videos this year. It's been fun. Bye!